Guys, opportunity is everywhere. You just have to reach out for it. And you have to enhance your luck service area. Life works like this. You put in work and energy in different sections, and somehow, after a while, the universe will present you opportunities, and you can decide if you take the chance or not. This happened to me so often. I created various startups and they came out of nothing. One day, a friend came into my room and said, I have an idea, let's do it. This brought me to creating a startup. This brought me to app development, to now being one of the most successful app developers in Germany. You do not know where life drags you. And if you are active in some communities, if you get to know some people and get to know them better over years, someday maybe there will present itself an opportunity for you to participate on something where you don't even know in the moment where things will go. So many things I did, like my Udemy course for developers, I didn't do this with the intention to be a successful freelancer. I just wanted to teach people because I thought, hey, I learned it on my own. I can teach that people. But through that course, for example, this created enormous opportunity for me because companies, they had developers watching my courses and they reached out to me to help them develop their applications. So this video here really comes just from my heart, and it's a message to you, also informing you about what is going on in my life currently and motivating you to take on chances and keep engaging in various communities and areas in your life. Through my sport journey, I got to create back then a big fitness Instagram channel which blew up. Through my app development, I created courses which blew up. And this over years, of course, this does not come from anywhere. Out of nothing. I put in hard works. I worked on the weekends. I worked in the evenings. I had a main job, but the real work really happens in the evenings and the weekends. And this work, this directed energy from you creates opportunity because it enhances your luck service area. That means you are more likely to experience luck in the future because you put in work now, and this can take time. When I released my courses, it take months for them to blow up, and I was half a year without any contract, running out of money before it blew up and created big opportunities for me. And right now I have the next opportunity. For the past 4 years, I was very active in the crypto space, and I got to know many very capable traders, and they asked me now to create a community, an academy. We call it the Academy at the moment, with them together, where we can teach other people to tackle financial markets and find the next opportunity in the crypto space. And I really like this idea because other than freelancing, my major app agency and various startups, as said, I'm very active in the crypto space and always wanted to do something there. And now creating a community with capable people I know and trust is a great opportunity for me, and I will take that opportunity. Which means soon on this channel, I will be launching trading series completely for free, introducing you in the world of crypto financial markets and teaching you trading on X, on YouTube, and of course, exclusively in our community with future courses. And you can meet me and other very capable traders as soon as we launch live there with daily live market updates. So stay tuned for future updates. And if you have some fields in your life where you put in work and don't really get something back at the moment, just trust the project. Your work, your directed energy, your connections you build in your life will create a bigger luck service area, which leads automatically to big opportunities in your future that you don't even see at the moment. So keep working, keep the hard work up, spend your nights, spend your weekends. It really enhanced my whole life, putting down the work. So stay motivated.